Hi, friends. Welcome back to day 5 of our science lesson, the final day. Today, we're going to be talking about all the things we talked about. So, we're going to talk about the Earth resources, the quiz, and everything else that we can do to keep practicing with our Earth resources. So, let's talk about our question. How can we keep the Earth healthy? I want you to take a minute and think in your brain really hard about ways we've learned to keep the Earth healthy. Go ahead. All right. We can keep the Earth healthy by reducing the amount of energy and resources we use. So pour ourselves less milk in our glass if we don't think we're going to be able to drink it all. We can turn off the lights when we're inside so we don't waste energy. And we can turn the water off when we're brushing our teeth and washing our hands, right? So we can reduce and conserve energy. We can reuse things. So instead of throwing away our bags, we can use them as trash cans. Or instead of throwing away our big boxes that we get in the mail, we can use them to make forts and tents and buildings and climb in them. Or we can color on them. So that's one way that we can reuse. And then reduce, reuse, and then recycle. And recycle. Remember our book about the paper and cans that we picked up, and all the animals were able to come out and enjoy their habitat? That's a really good way to keep our earth healthy, is by recycling and picking up after ourselves, okay? So here we go. Don't forget for our quiz that you have to do today and turn in, that you can review the other days that we've already talked about and look at those videos and assignments. We're going to go ahead and take a peek at our quiz. The quiz is very easy. So the first one, you're going to write your name, and then you're going to answer the first question. Which picture shows conservation of energy? Lights off during the day or lights on during the day? And you're going to select the right answer. Which picture is someone reusing something? Jam into the trash can or a jam container used for beans or seeds or something else? Which picture shows something that belongs in the compost bin? An old shoe or pine cone? You decide, pick the answer, and let me know. Which picture shows something that belongs in the recycle bin? A soda can or candy wrappers? Again, you pick. Which picture shows something that belongs in the trash can? Old newspaper or an old chip bag? You decide. Our last question is, can we help keep the earth healthy? Yes or no? You pick the answer that you think is correct, and at the bottom, you'll hit this purple button that says the S for submit. All right, and that's all you have to do, and then you can close out. Okay. Looking at other materials that you can use. If you really liked this science lesson or you want to do more work, you can look at the challenge task. I have made a challenge page for you, and you can see a little example of it over here. The directions are to choose at least one of the following tasks. Complete the task and upload your work. I can't wait to see what you've done. You have two choices for your challenge task. You can either look back at the day 4 assignment and complete the other two choices and take a picture of you doing your task and upload a picture, or you can talk to a parent, a friend, or a sibling about how to keep the earth healthy. Then you could talk to them about reducing, reusing, and recycling. Ask them what ideas they have. There's a paper template on the page below this one, so you would just scroll down and you can draw a picture of whatever their idea was. Then I want you to write one sentence about what they said. You can also go ahead and submit that to the challenge task box on the Google Classroom. After you've done that, you can view our after tasks. Here it says done. See the after task opportunities here. We're going to open that up after task document, and here are 5 documents that you can use to to do more tasks, to do more activities. You can, You can read a book, you can watch a video, you can dance to a song, you can play a game, or you can do an activity. All of those choices are up to you. The book option is called Caring for Earth. It's a really good story about how to care for the earth. You can watch a video called Recycling for Kids, recycling glass, plastic, and paper, just like we've been doing. You can listen or dance to a song called Reduce, Reuse, and Recycle. Playing a game is called Little Critters Learn to Sort, and you get to sort things into recycling bins. And the last option is to do an activity, which is sorting trash activity. So I'm going to scroll down and go ahead and show you that. So it says sorting trash. This side is recycle, and you can see that because this recycling bin has that recycling bin symbol, or the garbage. So you'll cut out these little things down here, these little pictures, and then you'll sort them into the right bin and glue them down. Then you can take a picture of that. All right, I think that is it. So we talked about our quiz. Don't forget, you can look back at the other videos that we've talked about and use those as you complete your quiz. Then I want you to make sure you've completed all your other assignments for day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5, the quiz. And then you can go back and do the challenge tasks. And then after that, if you want to do more with this, you can view the after tasks and have fun with those. I can't wait to see all the fun work you all have completed. Let me know if you have any questions. That's all I have for you for day 5. Can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.